In this video, I'll detail how to check iPhone X, iPhone XR, iPhone XX, and iPhone XX Max battery health. If you have any of the iPhone X series and you want to check the battery health, whether the iPhone XX, just like I have here, then this video is going to walk you through step by step on how you can easily check your battery health to see whether your iPhone battery is still good or not. So if I don't know this video, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to check your iPhone XX battery health, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on battery. Then once tap the battery button, hang on for this page to load. Then click on battery health and charging. Then here you're going to see the maximum capacity. My iPhone XX has a maximum capacity of 77%, and that's to tell you that this device has been charged more than 1,000 times. You see that? So if you have 100% here and the battery is not boosted, that shows your iPhone is new and has not been really charged for a very long time. So that's how you can easily check your iPhone XX battery health and the maximum capacity. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.